So I got to show you guys, since we're moving everything around inside the warehouse and finally making sense of stuff, these are gigantic peppermints that I have. I was so lucky to find these, and I'm super excited. It takes like 2 to 3 people to lift them, painted and glittered. We're going to go in and do some work on these this year, but super excited about those. This is all, the top of this is just nothing but outdoor garland. It's kind of amazing. Sleigh right here that we're going to end up repainting. And then just so that you can see the sheer size of these bells here, they are massive. I've got silver and gold ones. I'm going to be using car paint this year, completely repainting them, and then they're actually layered with this amazing laid-in mirror as well. So those are super, super cool. So the whole right side of the warehouse here is all interior. The left side is exterior. We've got about 1,850 square feet of space here, and just trying to make sense of everything that's going on. So I just had to show you guys. Oh, real quickly, this right here. We made these amazing wooden stands here a couple of years ago for the have the holiday hoopla and I can't remember what the other one was, but we did all of this lettering and then all of this foam work to make it look like brick. And so these are outdoor displays that have carolers and animated things in them, so they're super cool. They definitely need some work, so I got to get in here this year and work on that. But yeah, just want to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. Merry Christmas, and we're going to see you guys real soon.